In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV when it's not responding to the remote or the buttons on the TV itself, using manual reset and power cycle methods. First, try unplugging your TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. This power cycle helps clear temporary glitches that might cause unresponsiveness. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 10 seconds. This drains any residual power and helps reset internal components. After that, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Test if the remote and TV buttons are now responding. If the remote still doesn't work, check the remote's batteries and replace them if needed. Also, make sure there's nothing blocking the IR sensor on the TV. If the TV buttons aren't working, inspect the buttons for any physical damage or dirt. Clean around them gently with a soft cloth. Sometimes the TV's firmware can cause issues. Check if a firmware update is available via the TV's menu once you regain control. If these steps don't fix the problem, consider performing a factory reset through the settings menu when possible. Keep in mind this will erase custom settings. If your TV remains unresponsive after all this, it could be a hardware issue needing professional repair. Following these steps should help restore your Samsung TV's responsiveness. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.